everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so for today's new video, we're going to be learning a TikTok dance. But before we get into the video, if you guys happen to like today's video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and also be sure to hit that subscribe button. So before we get into the tutorial, I'm going to show you guys the dance first without the music so you guys can see the dance, and then we'll get into it. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so for this TikTok dance, it's normally done in a duet, but it can also be done in a solo as well. So what I'm going to do for the dance is I'm going to break it down as a duet, and at the very end, I'm going to show you guys what it would be like as a solo. Okay, let's get into it. So to do this dance, you're going to start by your feet are together and your arms are by your side, and you're going to jump out. So both feet are going to come apart. Good. Let's do that again. Jump. So for your arms, your right hand is going to be on your right hip, and your left arm and hand are going to be out to the side. And as you can see, I have my index finger pointing up, and your hand and arm are going to go to the right, left, right, left. So again, my left arm and hand are out to the side. I'm bringing it to my right, left, right, left. So it's 4 times it goes right, left, right, left. Good. One more time. Right, left, right, left. And as you do that, you can move your hips as well. So you could go right, left, left. So as your arm goes right, left, you can move those hips as well, okay? So adding in with the jump, we go 1, 2, and 3. So those are the counts. So again, we go 1, 2, and 3. Now for this part, you can move your arm up, down, bring it down, bring it down. You can do it however you want. That is up to you. So for me, I'm going to go 1, 2, and 3. So kind of have it like in a zigzag. But in this dance, people do it however they want to do it. They can have crazy arms, or they can just be going side to side, however you choose. So again, going from the top. Arms are down by our side. Ready, and 1, 2, and 3. Good, let's do it again. Arms by your side. Ready, and 1, 2, and 3. So it is a little fast, so we'll try it again. 5, 6, here we go. 1, 2, and 3. Now from here, you're going to bring your feet in and clap at the same time. So we just went 1, 2, and 3, clap. So feet come together and we clap. So going from the top, ready, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. Again, let's do it again. Ready, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. So again, this is a duet, so one partner is going to walk off. So if you're on stage, you'd walk off the stage. Or if you're doing it in a TikTok and you're trying not to be seen in the video, you're going to walk off until you're not seen. So for the partner that walks off, I'd walk off and I would stay in this position, because when you come back on, you're going to be walking backwards. So if I was the partner that leaves, I'm going to stay like this until I come back on. So after the clap, your one partner is going to walk off, and the other person who wants to stay on is going to stay on. So I'm going to show that part. So after we do the clap, this next part, you have 4 counts. You kind of can do whatever you want. This could be a little bit of improv. So when I see people do this dance, I notice people do whatever they like. They could have their arm go around, they move to the side. You can do a little bit of, what's it called? A little slide to your right or left, whatever you want, but you have 4 counts to do that. So I'm going to show you guys what I would do for the 4 counts. So again, if you don't like it, that's okay. You can do whatever you want for those 4 counts. It's up to you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump out, and I'm going to do like a head roll going to my right, and it's going to move my hair. So it's kind of like a whip. So I bring myself down, and I whip my hair to my right. So the counts are 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I'm going to go 5, 6, and then I'm going to move to my right, 7, 8. So I use my left hand, and I step to my right. So what I'm going to do, again, is I go 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so let's go from the top. Get yourself ready. Partner can come back in and try it. 5, 6, ready, here we go. 1, 2, and 3, now leaves 5, 6, 7, 8. So this next part is not improv. This part is in the TikTok dance, so you want to follow along to this part if you want. So what you're going to do is you're going to do a little bit of kind of like a side roll. So what you're going to do is you're going to tilt your head to your left, and then everything else is just going to follow you. So you're going to step to your left, and then your whole body just follows. So you tilt your head again to your left. We're stepping out with our left, and let everything else follow through. So the counts are 1, and then for your arm, your left arm's going to come up, and then you're going to bring it down. So hand is in a fist, left arm comes up, we bring it down. So it goes 1, 2, then you're going to do the same thing to your right. You're going to tilt your head to your right, and then everything's just going to follow through. Stepping with that right, bring it to the right, and now your right arm is going to come up, and then we bring it down. So the counts are, starting from the left, we go 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And so for my feet, I step out left, right, right, left. Again, footwork, left, right, right, left. All together goes 1, 2, 3, 4. So going from the part where the partner leaves, we go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. So going from the same part, ready, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time from that same part, ready, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next part, you're going to turn, make a quarter turn to your right, and you're going to put your left arm and hand on your partner's shoulder. So if I was the partner that's off, you're going to feel that hand on your shoulder, left hand. So partner that's on has their arm out, and now you're going to take 4 steps back. Going backwards, you're going to go right, left, right, left. And I'm popping my, my heels up. So I go right, but my left, so I'm stepping back with my right, my left heel pops up, stepping back with my right heel pops up, stepping back with my right, left heel pops up, one more time, left foot comes back, right heel pops up. So as the partner's coming on, the partner that was just doing the dance is gonna walk off. So you want to make sure you're fully off so no one can see you. So your left hand and arm is out. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. So again, so that partner that was on is gonna walk off, and the partner that was off is gonna come on. So if I'm the partner, my hands are down flat by my sides, and I'm going right, left, right, left. So let's go from the part where this is the improv, the 5, 6, 7, 8. So the part where you can do whatever you want, or you can follow along with me. 5, 6, ready, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And so if I was the partner, we go 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep those arms down by your side. Okay, let's do the whole thing from the top. Both partners in. 5, 6, ready, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna do it again from the top, but this time I'm gonna be the partner that will walk off, just so you can see what it looks like. 5, 6, ready, here we go. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so now for the partner's turn, this part you're gonna do is your hands are gonna go behind your head. And so for your footwork, you're gonna step your right foot back, and your left foot is now in front. Your left heel is gonna pop up, and you're gonna lift your left hip up. So as you do that, you're gonna turn your left knee in. So the counts are 1 and 2. So again, you turn that left knee in while popping your left hip up. So we go 1 and 2. And again, arms are behind your head. So trying it again. Ready, and 1 and 2. Couple times. Ready, and 1 and 2. One more time. Ready, and 1 and 2. Now, next part, you're gonna roll your arms like this, and you're gonna go forward, so leaning towards your left foot. You're gonna go 3 and 4. So give it a nice clap. So 3 and 4. So again, ready, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So let's go from the part where the new partner walks on. So we go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. One more time, same part. Ready, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, now you're going to bring your left hand out, reaching for your partner that is off right now. So your left hand is out, and you're going to grab your partner's hands. That partner that's off is now going to come on, reach for your partner's hand, you hold on, and now you both, this is my left hand by the way, using my left hand, grab your partner, and you both are going to drop it low. So you're going to bring your knees out and drop it, holding each other's hands while doing that. And you're kind of facing the back as you do it, and drop. Both knees are out, and we drop it low, arm up, holding each other's hand. The counts are 5, 6, holding each other's hand, drop 7, 8. So if I'm the partner that's off, I'm standing here, I go 5, 6, 7, 8. So again, if I'm off, if I'm that partner that's off, I go 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's go from the part where the partner walks on backwards. Ready, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Reach for your partner. 5, 6, 7, 8. So we just finished the drop. Both partners are on. So this next part, your arms are down. You're going to make kind of a half turn, turning to your right, so your right shoulder, getting yourself back to front. So you're going to step left, right, left, right. So we take 4 steps. We go left, right, left, right. Good. Again, and reminder, both partners are on. So we just finished the drop. Come up. We go left, right, left, right. So as you do that, you're going to do hip rolls, and your hip rolls are going to go from right to left. So hip rolls go from right to left. So we're stepping left, right, left, right. Our hip rolls are going right, left, right, left. So give it a try, and if you're not feeling comfortable with doing the hip rolls, that's totally fine. Just do the steps. The left, right, left, right. So here you go. Let's try it with the hip rolls. We go right, left, right, left. So when I'm saying right, left, I'm talking about the hips. But again, you're stepping left, right, left, right. So let's do that again. Ready, and right, left, right, left. So for your arms, you really can do whatever you want. This is where the improv can come back in. I see a lot of people bring their arm around their head. Some people have it around their face, whatever you want to do for those 4 steps. For me, personally, I'm just going to leave my arms down. So I'm just going to step 1, 2, 3, 4. I might have my hands around my hips, but for me, I'm just going to leave my arms down by my side or by my hips. So do whatever you want with your arms. You can talk to your partner, or if you're doing this by yourself, you can just try to figure something out. But whatever you want, go for it. Let's go from the part where we're reaching out for our partner's hand. I'm using my left hand, and for that partner that's off to the side, again, I don't know if I mentioned this or not, but they're using their left hand to reach and then drop. So going from that part, ready, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last part. This is the very end. It ends on count 5, 6, which is different, but those are the counts it ends on. So what you're going to do is your left hand is going to be in a fist, and both partners, again, just want a reminder, both partners are on for this, and you're going to bring your left hand down to your right and then swish it to your left. So it's kind of, imagine it like a wand. You're going to go swish, swish. So hand goes to our, left hand goes to your right and then to your left. I don't know if I said left, but I meant right. So it goes to your right and then left. So we swish it down, bring it up, then to your left. So the counts end on 5, 6. You kind of take it slow there. 5, 6. Really cool, relaxed. We go 5, 6. So going from the same part where we reach out for our partner's hand. So we go 5, 6, drop, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And as I was doing that, I was moving my hips going right, left. So you can do that if you want. Okay, so that is the whole dance. Good job. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the dance twice. I'm going to do it once being one partner and then once being another partner. And then at the end, I'm going to show you guys what, if you are doing it as a solo, what you can do to make it a solo, because there's not much you really need to change. Okay, so I'm going to be the partner that stays on. So that's the first one I'm going to do. So I don't leave at the beginning, I'm going to stay on. So that's the partner I'm starting out first. All right, get yourself ready. Arms down by your side, feet together. 5, 6, ready, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now I'm going to be the other partner that walks off. Here we go. And 5, 6, ready, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so if you're doing this as a solo, I'm going to show you guys what you can do. Little things you can change, but there's not too much, so we'll break it down. 5, 6, ready, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. You're going to keep going. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Instead of walking off, you're going to walk on the spot. 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep going. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. We wait. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed today's new video. If you want to see this dance with the music, make sure to check out the link below. And again, if you guys liked today's video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.